As you can see, the ceiling is now done. It's been painted. This is the color that the trim used to be. This is the new color. Probably for a month, maybe a little bit longer at this point. There's been no toilet down here. So they were supposed to be coming today to fix the stump and install a new toilet. Turns out the person that came was a plumber. Turns out he only does the toilet part, not the stump part, so they have to call somebody else like that does like concrete work or something to do the stump part. And so now the toilet situation is not gonna get fixed today. Movers were supposed to be here at 2 o'clock and it's 2:25, so they're late. It's gonna be a little bit of a disaster, but you know, fingers crossed that we're able to get it all done and that nothing gets damaged. The bathroom still is a disaster. They had to use cement and rebuild it, and these things are just kind of holding the cement in place. But they didn't tell us until it was time to start the bathroom, like, oh, hey, by the way, this is gonna cost more. So it wasn't an issue that it costs more. It was just the fact that like that is something that they should have told us up front, and they didn't. Here we go. This is the review. You guys are gonna see it at the same time that I'm gonna see it. So here we go. So excited to start putting everything together. So I am back with another update. So I have built some furniture. So my Alex drawers are now built. I haven't put anything in them yet, but that is like the next thing on the agenda to do. I've also built my cube shelf, again, in the process of like trying to go through the stuff. So I had all of my stuff. You guys probably saw like these different carts around the house as this process is progressing. I have 3 of these that are like full of stuff. I stumbled upon my old phone. Like, what the heck? So this was my phone, I'm gonna say it was probably my phone in high school. But yeah, I found this bad boy. Like the fact that it has the sliding like keyboard, Gen Z wouldn't even understand. If I show this to someone, they'd be like, what is that? What is this ancient like archaic device? I tried to turn it on. Not that I thought it would come on, but I was like, might be some juice in there. Tried to turn it on, it is dead. But I kind of want to power it up to see what it like, if it even turns on. It is Sprint, and Sprint no longer exists anymore, so I don't even know if it would work if I try to plug it on, if I try to plug it up and turn it on. But yeah, I just thought this was so, look at the little camera, it's so cute. This is the Adeptus drawer. I think I talked about this in one of my other videos where I said it was kind of like an Alex drawer, but it's not an Alex drawer. It's not from the Alex brand. It's not even from Ikea. I got this from, I think, Home Depot, or no, Bed Bath & Beyond. But Home Depot does sell this. And then I also built, this is Alex. This is the file cabinet one. So if you open this up, I don't know if the camera is showing it or not, but it has like the file drawer thing in here. I built this for my dog. The inside is gonna be different. I just threw that little bed in there because I didn't know where else to put it. But I want to give this, I don't want to say a makeover because I literally just opened this out of the box and built it yesterday, so it's already brand new. But I kind of want to like dress it up and like make it really cute for him. His birthday is this week, I think. Wait, what's today's date? Yeah, his birthday is this week, so kind of want to do like a little birthday thing for him. Like I really want to like dress up his crate and like make it really cute, like a little bedroom. So gonna try to work on that. I ordered some stuff, so whenever it comes, I guess is when I'll be able to put it together. I don't know if it's gonna come in time for his birthday, but if it doesn't, it'll just be a little belated birthday gift. Like, he's a dog, so it's not like he knows when his birthday is. So it's fine. I feel like every clip that I film for these videos, the video quality is always so bad because the camera's like pointing to the floor or something stupid. I don't come over here like with the intention of filming. I come over here with the intention of like either moving stuff, building stuff, packing stuff, unpacking stuff, and kind of like filming as like an afterthought. So a lot of times I am very unprepared when I come over here, but then I'm like, oh, like I should probably film something. Oh, I should probably do a clip. Oh, I should probably show you guys this. So yeah, that is why these clips are always so terrible, because the filming is not my priority. The measuring tape is on the floor because I am trying to measure to put the curtain back up here. But like these outlets that are on the wall need to be like covered up with like the plates and stuff. And also the ceiling up here, oh, trying to figure out how to show it. The ceiling up here is not like connected. It should be connected here, like there shouldn't be this gap here. There's also this thing that needs to have a plate or some kind of access panel cover that goes on it. So there's just different things that still, that still need to be done in this room. And this is where my bed is supposed to go. Like this area right here is where my bed goes. So I can't put the bed back until they've done those things. So for now, my bed is just kind of like hanging out with all this stuff on it. And then over here is where the vanity goes, but the vanity can't go there because of all this stuff. So like it's kind of like playing Tetris, trying to set things up, also trying to reorganize, because there are some things that were in certain places that just, it didn't make sense for them to be where they were, but I was also too lazy to do anything about it. These two baskets used to be in my bedroom, and it didn't really make sense that they were there because one of those baskets has all of my dance clothes, like my leotards, my tights, like all that kind of stuff, which a long time ago when I put it there it made sense, but I haven't danced since 2019 when I got to a really bad car accident. By the time I recovered, COVID was happening, and so I just haven't gone back to dancing or teaching dance. So it doesn't make sense for me to have all my dance stuff like readily available when I'm not using it. And then the other basket has all of my swimwear in it, which I have probably worn a swimsuit maybe 5 times in the last 6 years. So it doesn't make sense, again, to have it like right in my bedroom, readily available, like taking up perfectly good real estate that could be used for something else that I actually use on a more regular basis. So I'm also in the process of trying to reorganize parts of my closet to like put some of this stuff in the closet, and maybe if there's stuff in the closet that I use more often, bring that stuff out and have that stuff in my bedroom. So a lot of like reorganizing and stuff that is happening as well. A lot of things kind of like happening simultaneously. So a lot of like moving parts. And also the Mystic Readathon starts in like a week. Like yeah, I think literally a week from today is when the Mystic Readathon starts. So there's just a lot going on right now, and just like trying to manage all of these different things at the same time. It's kind of a lot. So yeah, that's the update. I wish I could tell you that the bathroom is done, but it's not, you know. We're gonna rock with it. We're gonna try to do the best we can in the meantime, and just keep hope alive. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep hope alive.
3 days later.
Have I worn this shirt in a clip? I feel like I've worn this shirt in a clip. I've probably been wearing this shirt for like the last 4 days because I keep coming over here to like do different things, move stuff, you know, build stuff, and there's just so much dust and debris. I don't want to mess up any of my good clothes, so I just keep wearing the same shirt every time I come over here. So if you've seen this shirt before, sorry, not sorry. Throughout all of this process, I dropped my laptop, and the laptop is fine, which thank goodness, but my SD card cracked when I dropped my laptop, so I don't know if the videos that are on there are salvageable or not. I haven't even tried to like turn it on and like see if I can like access the files, because I don't even want to know right now. Like I can't deal with the possibility that all of that footage that's on the SD card is gone. So let me just fill you in on what's been going on with the bathroom situation. So it is August 26th, and I had said that I wanted this to be done by September 1st. You know, I wanted to be able to peacefully be able to run the Mystic Readathon and not have to deal with all the hecticness that comes with trying to renovate and remodel your house, and also like living between houses and all that kind of stuff that like I've been doing for the last 6 or 7 months. And I figured with this incident having taken place in February, there's no reason why by September I shouldn't be able to be back home. Boy, was I wrong. It came time to do the bathroom down here. They said, oh, that floor is too expensive, so if you want us to put it down there as well, then you're gonna have to pay extra, which is wild because I don't understand why that wasn't something that was communicated to us in the very beginning when we first talked about all of this, because it was very clear when I picked out this floor that this was the floor that I wanted for both bathrooms. Like, why would I only pick out flooring for one bathroom when both bathrooms needed to be repaired? Like, that doesn't make any sense, but okay. So yeah, they told us that we needed to pick out a new floor. So I spent a good amount of time trying to like research bathroom flooring, because I don't know anything about like what kind of floor goes in the bathroom. I just showed him a picture the last time and let, you know, this is what you do for a living, like, you know what stuff to get, what the good stuff is, whatever, like here's just what I want it to look like. This is the concept. I need you to like make it come to life, right? So now I'm like trying to like scramble and like find a new floor, and that took forever. I finally found something after like a good long while to find something that I thought would work. And so I sent it to them on Friday, and Friday went by, we heard nothing. Saturday went by, we heard nothing. Sunday, didn't expect to hear anything because it's Sunday. Monday went by, they finally reached out to us in the afternoon and said, oh, basically that floor is cheap, you don't want that. And so then I was even more frustrated because I'm like, this is exactly why the last time we had you pick it out, we showed you the inspo and we let you kind of go crazy or whatever, because we don't know what we're doing. Like, we're not contractors, we're not interior designers, we don't know what kind of floor goes in the bathroom. So I then spent another hour or two trying to like legit research bathroom flooring to get an idea of like what colors, what sizes, what materials, like just, I know more about bathroom flooring than I ever thought I would. But yeah, ended up picking out another floor that I sent them, I think on Monday. And it is now the following Monday, and we're just now hearing back from them saying that the floor that I picked out the second time is good to go. So great, fantastic. And then we thought, all our troubles were solved. And then the contractor said, hey, but about that money though. And we said, ooh. What happened was the insurance company sent us the check, but every time the insurance company sends us a check, they send the check with the homeowner's name on it, but then they also put the mortgage company's name on it, and they keep putting the old mortgage company's name on it because we don't have the same company that we had before. So they keep putting both mortgage companies' name on it and then the homeowner's name, and everybody whose name is on it has to, endorse the check, has to sign off on it in order for it to be deposited. So then we had to send the check back again to have them remove that second mortgage company's names so that they don't have to sign off on a check that has nothing to do with them because they're not the mortgage company. Then they had to send it back to us, and then we had to send it to the mortgage company for them to sign it. That was 20 days ago. The processing time is 10 days, not 20. And so we called today to find out, where's the money? What's going on, guys? And they told us that the amount of checks that we have sent them, the total amount of money that we've sent every time we have to send checks to get them the signs that we can pay the contractors, it has exceeded a certain threshold that they have on their end where they now have to step in and monitor what's going on or something like that. So they have to send the check back to us so that we can sign it. And then we have to send the check back to them so that they can sign it. And then they are going to deposit it into some account that we don't know anything about. And then they're going to write us a new check for a partial amount of what the original check was. And then we have to wait for the work to be done in order to receive that remaining balance. Here's the problem. Aside from the fact that it's been 20 days and we only found all of this out because we decided to call them, no one contacted us to tell us any of this. Besides that, the issue is that that check is not the final check. There is another check that's supposed to be coming that is the actual final check. And so the way the contractors work, they are not going to do the work if they are not going to get paid. Now, the final check, they understand it's pretty much a universal thing that they have to finish the work before they receive their final check, right? We get that. That makes sense. But the check that we're waiting for is not the final check. But the mortgage company is saying that they're not going to release the full amount of funds until they're finished the work. Now, why would the contractors finish the work if they're not getting paid? Do you see the problem here? We still have to wait for the mortgage company to send us the check back so that we can sign it, and then send it back to them so that they can deposit it into whatever this account is that they keep talking about that we don't know anything about, and then write us a new check for part of the amount, and then pay the contractors and hope that that's enough to get them to finish the work, because the mortgage company is not going to release the remaining funds until the work is completed and they come out and do an inspection. Mind you, this is the mortgage company we're talking about, not even the insurance company, the mortgage company. The insurance company, they did what they needed to do. The mortgage company is the one that's giving us a hard time. And I am just try to get my mind right, try to woosah it out, because I need to go back to trying to empty out these carts over here. This one in particular does not need to be empty because this is the one that has all of my bathroom stuff in it, which we can't do anything with the bathroom right now. In the bottom, it has books and stuff, because I think those are the last two things that I cleaned out at the very end. So the books are on the bottom and then all the bathroom stuff is on top. It's new books that I haven't read, TBR books, stuff that I got for Christmas, or things that I bought from the bookstore pre-flood. To be honest, I don't even really remember what's in there. It'll be Christmas all over again, re-seeing all these books that I forgot that I had, so that'll be fun. And the cart that's on the other side of it is mostly empty. The other cart is in the other room. That's the one that I actually have to empty, and that's the one that has all of my vanity stuff in it. I probably did a check-in yesterday or something where I talked about the fact that I was working on that, so yeah, I need to get back to it. I only got four, I wish. I only got done 2 out of the 10 drawers yesterday. So still so much work to do. We're doing great. Bedroom I can't really do anything with at the moment because there is still, I don't know if I talked about this yesterday or not. I'm looking at the room. I can probably take you guys over there to show you. Until the bed can go where it needs to go. The bed is just kind of hanging out here in the middle of the floor, which is not where it's supposed to be at all. But that's where it's gonna have to hang out until they are finished with this area, so they can then put the bed back. Once they put the bed back, then I can start like putting my bedroom together. That's really what the holdup is there. But like I said, they won't come back and do anything until they've gotten some money. So this is the stuff that goes on top of my vanity. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know what the camera is looking at right now because I'm using the front facing camera. Let's see what's in here. This is makeup of some sort. Oh, just kidding. This is not makeup. This is nail tech stuff because I used to do my own acrylics. This is eyeshadows and all my eyeshadow like palettes and eyebrow stuff. And then this one is probably, yeah, this is all lip stuff, all my lip glosses, lip balms, lipsticks, all the stuff, just all the things pertaining to your lips. So I need to go through all of these boxes, and they may not look big, but these boxes are pretty big. They hold a lot of stuff. So I have to go through and organize them, and I'll show you guys what I've done so far. Like I said, out of the 10 drawers, because each one of these cabinets has 5 drawers. Out of the 10 collectively, I've only done the top 2. So this is what we're looking like so far. I'm quite pleased with the organization of this. It looks so much better than it used to, so I'm actually kind of happy about that. But I have like my headbands to like protect, you know, your edges when you're doing your makeup, your primers, foundation, concealer, bronzer and contour, blush. There's like makeup brush cleaner in the back here. And then I have like makeup wipes, edge control, loose powder. One of my loose powders is at my mom's house. Makeup remover, some Smell Good. This is like my quick, I'm on the go, like I'm about to go to Target Smell Good. My actual like perfumes and stuff are in the other box that I showed you guys. These are things that I need to be able to access when I'm sitting at my vanity. Like sometimes I'm like writing, so I need like a pen, or I need lotion because my hands are dry, or I need to open something, so I need scissors, or I'm charging my phone or something, so I need cable cords, setting spray, and highlighter. So that is what we've done so far. Not much, if I'm being honest, compared to what all is left between all these different boxes. Still a lot to be done. So that is what the plan is today, is to try to get as much of this done as possible, because the next thing that I need to do is work on setting this little cube shelf thing up. My jewelry and stuff is probably gonna go here. But yeah, I need to organize this better. And in order for me to organize this better, I need to do some organizing in my closet. So yeah, there's a lot of organizing and rearranging and playing Tetris with my furniture that I'm gonna have to do in the next couple of days. So that's the plan. I will check in with you guys once, I guess, more has been done. And hopefully when I check in with you guys next, there will be a happier update. It's happening. We are so close. The contractors are finally coming back after being gone for like 3 or 4 weeks. It is October 31st. I'm laughing because I think I'm losing my mind. I want to show you guys what my house looks like now, because this is insane. It almost looks worse now than it did when we first started. I don't know how that's possible, but here we go.